Shoulder workout with dumbbells and barbell. Shoulder muscles develop rather quickly, compared to other areas of your body. However, don't assume that shoulder exercises are easy. On the contrary, the workout can get quite intense, presuming you're doing it properly. To ensure as much, we present the best shoulder exercises that brings you one step closer to that desirable V-shape. Just a quick note, if you're looking to do a shoulder workout for mass, you'll want to start each routine with the most intense exercises. Without further ado, here are the best shoulder exercises for men. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.